Hello everybody, welcome to Life and Love in the Philippines. So this project, we're going to mount this TV up on the wall so I can reclaim my counter space on the dresser. So don't look at the mess. Got all the tools out here, we got the drill, we pre-drilled a hole, and we ran into something right here, so we had to go down a little bit, which is okay. And we know the lag bolts are going to fit in there. We already tested them, so we're good. So that takes care of that part. We leveled it out, drew a hole, all that good stuff. So I need to pop this cover off of here. Then I got to take this piece off. Right here. So we're going to take this out. The washer. Take the other one out. The washer. I'm looking for my up and down. So that's going to be here. I want it to be able to tilt down so that when I'm laying in bed, it tilts down. So, like that. So, we need to take this legs off. One leg off. You could leave them on because it sticks away from the wall, but it's going to look kind of ugly. Take them off. Store them away. Matter of fact, they can go right in here. Alright. So now we turn the TV over in the correct position for this to tilt down. It's going to tilt down. It's going to be like this, and it'll tilt down. This will go on there like that. Got three little washers, three little screws. I dropped one. Washer and screw. Started. Washer and screw. I lost one on the floor, folks. That's why I was saying three, I guess, because it's really four. I already knew, premonition knew I was going to drop one. That's part of the important for me. I didn't drop one, I've got four in my hand. I'm a magic man. I am a magic man. You didn't see me bend over to get the fourth. Swap out our drill. Here. Don't over tight. You're gonna be in trouble if you over tight. That's pretty much it on that. cameraman trying to knock the tools over here, buddy. Show them what you do there. Alright, so again, you just orientate this down. Like that. Inside. It's really not that hard. The thing is, you need to find a stud. And we were lucky on the stud because we could see where the drywall didn't take together here. But we already knew there was a stud there. So we were fortunate on that. Come up here and mount it like that. And we'll put the covers up on this. It'll be all nice and pretty. So that's what I'm going to do now. Now here it has extensions in case this didn't fit perfectly. And for bigger TVs, we didn't need them. Put the new drill bits away. Spend a lot of time doing that. You do two things, the leg bolt. Luckily this TV is real lightweight. I wouldn't be able to hold it up there with that bad on. Now when we did this, we also leveled it. So that's not an issue either. I'm a magic man, I can do it all. I think I'm just crazy enough to try. I don't know about it. I can do it all. Just get it done. So we'll leave one end into the other until we get it on there. And that's it, it's up there. Just put the caps on. Caps. I don't think I need to change the angle any on that. Just tighten it down right there. Alright, so what we're going to do is tighten these up. My camera battery died, so we had to get a new battery in, so that's what happened there, folks. Tighten this down. That's it. I maybe tighten this up just a little bit. Yeah, we're good. Good. So, I'll have to give myself some length on the HDMI cable to hook it up here. I got the length. This here is the antenna and it actually rotates, if you can see. That's the outdoor antenna I've got indoors. So we're gonna take that antenna and we're gonna mount it to the side of this here dresser. And you know, it'll be up here, it'll be out of the picture view. It'll be all right. And get the dresser cleaned up, and we'll be in pretty good shape. I do run my laptop computer, that one over there, on this screen as well as on my laptop. It's also my television. Well, that's it, folks. We'll tack on the end when we get done with the antenna, mounting it on the new spot. My cameraman Phil's gonna have to help me out a little bit, so he's gonna have to shut the cam off to the roof, and now we'll tack on the antenna at the end. Alright folks, so we've got it all back together, buttoned up, sewed up. It's gonna get, we might get one of them little wire hardy things later on, but about $15, so I'm not too much worried about that. I wanted to get my counter space back, and then still be able to, at night, be able to lay in the bed. It's actually a better angle than it was, to be honest with you. It's hard to watch before being down here. So, my computer is hooked up. Go back to TV.
Community
That's the hardest channel to get
this today to set up a virtual appointment or shop
I'm
online
out.
at
This project is
ashleybookstore.com. Plus, going on now, pay 0% interest for 5 years.